Yesterday I went away to give a lad a hand with a Fowler traction engine to fit the bearings that were made 2 or 3 weeks ago. There was a big bronze bearing was split and cut off. I didn't get any video, but I've got 1 or 2 still shots of the bearings being fitted. I'm sure you'll find that interesting. Certainly hard heavy work, but very interesting and very rewarding to see it a little bit more done, so it's getting a little bit nearer to being finished. I've got a casting out of a car with 2 broken studs in that I have to try and remove. The trouble is, the lad that took it off has already had a go at drilling it out. He started off drilling the centre of there, but unfortunately it's come out the side of that stud, so it's been drilled well pissed. My first method of attack with a stud like this is to simply weld a nut on like that, just with a MIG, plenty power, plenty heat, and that normally brings them out, because the heat soaks into the aluminium and you can screw them out. So I've got to get them out. In this one here, I'll have to try and probably drill it out and weld a plug in to try and pick the threads back up again. Anyway, got to come out. So the first thing, or the first method, is to weld 2 nuts onto there. Right, so I've got problems with these, proper problems. Right, this time I'll weld the washer on first, and then weld the nut onto the washer to try and get a bit more area. Let that cool down a little bit. I'm going to try a bit of heat on there. That's absolutely solid, that bastard. Solid. now. Definitely moving. We'll let that cool off. Sometimes you can have them too hot. We'll let that one cool and give it another try, and I think this one here, I might drill that bastard over there. This is a mess, this. Oh. Oh. Bastard. Thought it had given in there, but obviously it didn't want to give in quite as easy as that. Try it from this end, see if it'll come through the other way. I've certainly got doubts about it now. I've welded onto the reverse side of it now. It's definitely moving. Oh dear me. We'll try more heat. Right. Right, I've got it set up in the middle. I'm going to go straight in with a carbide cut and see if that'll take that out. It's a 10mm cut and it's a 10mm thread, so if I can get it out I can put an insert in there. dear me. And I can see threads on the aluminium all the way around, which is a good sign. It's one of those cheap and cherry Banggood milling cutters. It's on borrowed time doing jobs like that. I'm doing the worst one first, the one that hasn't been touched will be no problem. It's just about all the way through there now, I think. Right, it's given up. You can see the hole is decent at that side. That side not so good. But there's enough material there to put a helicoil in. That'll be fine. That one next. You can see where he's drilled the bolt, where it's run off piss to one side. You can't drill bad depth freehand. This one should hopefully be a straightforward drill out job. Pick the centre up. I'm just eyeballing this. I can get it pretty good just by eyeballing it. Lock the table off. Decent quality drills now, or at least Banggood quality cobalt drills. That's pretty good stuff, that. Right, I'm going to try a left hand drill, not to try and unscrew the part, but because I know this drill is really good quality. So obviously the machine's running backwards. That's a proper drill. Probably going to be horrible noises. Nasty. Just about there. A bigger drill, once again left hand drill, just because I know the quality's there, because I want a fortune to buy. Come on, you bastard. Right, back with a ordinary cobalt drills. Push it through. Right, this is a 10mm helicoil top. Got some reasonable threads in there, I'm sure it'll hold the helicoil alright. Take it well down so it's into good threads, which it is there. That's not going to give any problems. Right, so that's one done. This inverter and 3-phase motor I put on the milling machine is brilliant for this sort of work. Right, and a little insert should screw in there quite nicely. And down into some nice clean threads. And so it's back to standard 10mm. Right, That's the reverse side of it. You can see where you drilled off. And the holes are pretty well in the centre. Once again, it's a time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And also a massive thanks for all the well wishes that have been coming in. Anyway, thanks for watching.